Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and today I have some vintage Pine Fresh Spic and Span, the big job cleaner for floors, walls, and woodwork. 1 pound. So look at this side, the directions. Has a zip code. This formula averages 6.7% phosphorus in the form of phosphates, equivalent to 6.6 grams per 1/2 cup use. So we know it's going to clean well. Well, let's get started. Let's go over to the cloud cam. I don't expect much clouds from this or scent. It doesn't have much of a scent left. The powder, usually the scent goes away. Over at the cloud cam, let's see what happens. Still use my 1/8 cup, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it. Oh, let's do a nice heaping 1/8 cup. And that's 1 gallon of water. Well, I'll be dead gum, it does cloud up. Now that is awesome. Doesn't say anything about pine oil, but we got clouds. Let's head back over to the floor cam and get started with the mopping for today. Back at the floor cam, let's get started. As usual, I will do 2 rounds of mopping. Between each round, I will rinse out the mop in this solution right here. That actually does have a bit of a scent to it. But it might be some leftover pine on my mop from mopping earlier in the kitchen. So let's get started. There's round 1. And my water's already a bit darker than it was. So here goes round 2. Very good. And the water's even darker after that next round. Let's take a look at it. Quite a bit darker than it was. So it did a fine job. Not sure how the modern equivalent holds a candle to this, but this does a fine job cleaning. So perhaps I may seek out some of the modern production of this. Once again, cleaning the floor with Pine Fresh Spic and Span. Thank you for watching.